Okay, so this is the My Maintenance Tracker tool. You guys will notice this. It's a simple Google Doc. You can download it as a spreadsheet or use it as a Google Doc. This link will allow you to access this. You'll download a copy for yourself. You won't be able to use this one because it's view only, but download a copy for yourself, save it as something else, and save it wherever you want to. The nice thing about Google is if you can do this, you can put it all over your shop on all the different computers, really easy access by the internet, or you can save it as a spreadsheet and put it on your office computer if you like, so you guys can keep up with it. The way it works though is you come to the welcome page and it basically gives you some instructions: step one, step two, step three. So step one is to enter the assets inside of inside of your building, and assets can be, a booth or an air system or even employees. Employee training. You can even list specific employees here if you'd like. Employee PPE, frame machine, things like the MIG welder, resistance welder, gun washer. You can enter any asset here you want to because they're going to appear automatically on this next page on the drop down that shows the assets that you entered. Once you do that, you can type in an activity and a number of days to maintain. And if you enter the last service date timestamp, what it's going to do is it's going to kick out a new next due on. And if this is past due, it's going to turn red. So as you update these, it's going to update the next due on based on the number of days you enter in this column right here. So it's very simple. It's a very simple way for you to track the things inside your shop. We know that there's a lot of things that you guys have a hard time keeping track of, and this is just a free tool we're offering as a part of our ebook on air, and we love to see you guys use it if you will. If you got any questions, we're at Collision Edge on Instagram, at Collision Edge on Facebook. And the email is Tim at Collision Edge or Ginger at Collision Edge. And thanks so much for your time, and have a happy New Year.